Access to clean air allows people to thrive, supporting longer lives and healthier communities. Clean air is not a luxury, it's essential, and it's within our reach. The Earthshot Prize celebrates those who are removing pollution from our air and ensuring our industries don't emit in the first place. The governments and leaders creating green transport and clean energy jobs. The businesses cleaning the air faster than they pollute it. And the communities proving that progress doesn't have to poison the planet. A world with clean air is possible. And together, we will build it. The Earthshot Prize finalists to clean our air are the city of Bogota.
I think we have to have hope. We have been able to face the challenge of air quality.
The city of Guangzhou.
空气更清新了。
The state of Gujarat.
The local environment gets cleaned up visibly within months.